marvelous chocha and codfish with some bacon.
Welcome back to Julie in the kitchen. Today guys, I will be participating in a collab with some wonderful cooks, and we're all going to be cooking a dish from my wonderful country, Jamaica. So come along with me and see what I will be making.
So guys, remember to check out all those wonderful cooks in this collab. They're all great cooks. Please check them out, and their links will be in my description. Please check them out, leave them a comment, give them some love, and tell them I sent you. So I will be making chocha and saltfish. I have 1.5 pounds of codfish. I have my chocha. I have already diced, peel and diced. I have onions. I have scallion here. I have that's green onion. I have my tomato. I have some chopped garlics, and I have beautiful, colorful bell pepper here, orange, green, and yellow. And I have bacon. Bacon make everything nice. And I have a chocha left, not peeled yet. So come along with me and let's this. This is great. This is a great tool. This is the best. It's better than my knife. My knife is no good here. This is so sharp. It does a great job. Take off all of that skin, and you can finish up with a knife. But so far, codfish, saltfish, I'm gonna put it to boil also in a separate pan. If you notice, I all buy this codfish that is already deboned. And this was a very expensive one because it's a little bit thicker than the usual. So, because my mom used to put corned pork, but because bacon make everything taste better, I'm gonna do bacon. Our codfish is ready, and we're gonna take it from the pot. And it's nice that you don't have to pick any bone. Chocha is also ready. We're just gonna use the same pot to cook it. Not too much pot washing business. Leave the chocha to drain here. Beautiful. They're ready. Chocha is cooked and ready. Nice. Catfish is ready, so we're gonna start frying our bacon now. And then we turn the fire down, and the bacon will start making its own oil. Just not to burn the pot, just a little bit of water, not to burn the pot. Yeah, and then the bacon will start. See, you see, start the water. Getting there with a lot of oil now, and it smells good. So you know, you don't probably need no more oil. Bacon has enough oil, so it's gonna take it up a notch. I think it's gonna be tasting better than Mama own. Sorry, Mama. I think so. I'm gonna take it up to the time being of coconut oil to give it that nice Jamaican taste. Coconut oil. Just see, I put just a tablespoon. I'm gonna turn this fire down. We're gonna add sauce with our onions here. We're just gonna put in the seasoning pot some our onion, green scallion, the white part I put in. Let's add the color. Oh my god, this smells good. We're gonna add our garlic in. Turn the fire down, let this cook. Add some tomato in here now. I'm gonna add some green
pepper. We don't have to put in all of this in. So let's see. Wow, this pot already full, and the chocho and the codfish not in here yet. But make it nice. Just make it nice. But you know, guess what? Guess what, people? I forgot my scotch bonnet pepper. You can't go to Jamaica and don't bring your scotch bonnet pepper, you know. So make sure you have your scotch bonnet pepper. Part of it. Alright, so we're gonna put some scotch bonnet pepper here. And I'm not gonna make it too hot, but just enough, some scotch bonnet pepper. Can't go to Jamaica and don't bring a scotch bonnet pepper. Remember, I warn you. I warn you. Alright.
Well, look how pretty this is, people. Look how beautiful this is. This looks like you don't even want the truth anymore. You could have just have it like it. But you know what? We set out on the journey to do chocho and saltfish, so we're going to bring it through. Okay? We're going to bring it through.
I'm going to go ahead and add my saltfish. So I rinse it off really thorough to get the salt out. So at this time I'm going to add some black pepper. It's always a must, and your saltfish. Alright, so I'm going to turn this baby down.
Add some black pepper to this. And this is look nice.
And a chocho to this now.
This, I don't want no water in it. Probably drain the water out.
Some black pepper to the chocho. It smells good, and that coconut oil, bring it in, man. You can actually smell Jamaica all the way from here. I'm gonna give it a taste to see if I have the flavor I'm looking for. I'm gonna add the bacon inside here. Just because bacon makes everything taste better. So you know it just went up another notch. Or another couple notches. So guys, remember to check out all the wonderful cooks in this collab. I can't wait to see what they bring back from Jamaica.
All this need now is chocho and codfish with bacon. It's the Jamaican style. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And as always, remember to cook with love, stay healthy. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Marvelous chocho and codfish with some bacon. And remember, you can't go to Jamaica and don't bring a scotch bonnet pepper. All right. Beautiful. And it smells really good. Stop, me not just eat, man.
Me not eat nothing.
Just put your hand there. Me not take your face. Look, your face.
My hand them dry. I want.
Nobody not. Who know you?
Myself, me not.